What's up guys, and welcome back to another video where today we bought a quad. Alright guys, this is a 2005 Yamaha Raptor quad. So I did get a pretty good deal on this Raptor here. I'll be taking this to Mexico, or from Nochistlan. So I already took off most of the plastics. That's why there's no screws here. I'm just going to be removing these. So my plan for this is to restore it completely and obviously upgrade it. We're going to wrap it. We're going to do a bunch of upgrades to it. I haven't been recording most of it, so I decided to start recording now. This quad's been sitting for a while. I don't know how long, but it's been sitting for a long time. So I did have to clean out the carburetor, change a bunch of stuff in there, and then got it running now. So I also have to do brake pads, change those. I did do an oil change on it. What else I had to do on this? I think that's pretty much so far. So I'll show you how it runs right now. Does have an aftermarket exhaust. It's I don't know, you guys can let me know if this is a good brand or not. FMF. It's pretty loud, but I don't think it's a big name brand one. Pretty loud. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'll let it warm up a little bit and give you a couple revs before I get started on what we're gonna do with it today. Alright, looks like it's warmed up already. I'm gonna give it a couple revs. So now that I got it 100% working, we're also going to be changing the chain. The chain looks pretty old here. And then we're going to be, I want it to be probably mostly black. So I am going to be cleaning off most of this, sanding it down, and then painting all this area here. I don't want any of this silver showing, so I am going to be painting all of this area. I'm going to scuff it up, and then I do have some 2K spray paint to paint all this area. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be wrapping these or just painting them too. Stay tuned for the color. It's going to be a completely different color. Right now it's like a gray, dark gray. So we're also going to be painting the wheels. So stay tuned for a couple of quad videos. A little bit of a change from the truck videos. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like these quad videos. Alright guys, I got most of the plastics off. I'm going to be power washing it now, degreasing it and getting rid of all the dirt that's in here. So then we can start just sanding all the framing and we should be set. Alright guys, I'm ready to start painting. I went ahead and lifted my quad up and I went ahead and primered the areas that were rusting. It's all sanded down and it's ready to apply the black paint on it. There we go. 3 total coats on this bike. It's in satin black. This is the one I'm using. Hot Rod Black Satin 2K. So I should drive pretty quickly. But there we have it. So I think I'm going to do an accent color, probably the same color as my truck. But I'm probably going to just be doing the frame. What's up guys, it's currently the next day. I woke up early and started wrapping a little bit of the quad here. So I'll show you guys what I've done. I just wanted to wrap a little bit to see how it was going to look, and I think I like the look, so let me show you. Alright, so if you guys remember, I did paint everything matte black, and now I'm going to be doing the accents, which I think I'm just going to be doing the frame tubing. So I temporarily put these back on just to see what is going to be seen and what is not. So according to this, I'm probably just going to be doing the main frame. So I'm going to be doing all this all the way to the front, all the way up there, over here, and back down. So I thought about doing possibly this back here, but nah, I'm going to leave that one alone. So as you can see, I did wrap this piece. So I thought it was going to be a lot harder because it is a tube. So it's kind of hard to wrap around the edges, but it actually turned out pretty clean. And I like that look. So this is the exact same wrap that's on my truck, except that this is the gloss version. It's not the matte version that I have on the truck. So I want to accent it from matte over to the gloss. So we'll continue doing all this today. And then I have to purchase more spray paint to do the tires before we can mount them, and then probably in the next video we're going to be doing some body work with this because there's a lot of scratches, and you can see them right here. So we got to primer it, make sure it's nice and smooth before we can start painting it, or either painting it or wrapping it. I got to see what I'm going to do first, but this is also going to be in a matte black color, all this, so you kind of get an idea of how it's gonna look right there. The grill too, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it matte black or also in that gloss burgundy color, so stay tuned to see what I do with that. I'm gonna continue working on wrapping this area.
Nobody else.
Alright guys, I finished this side now. I just gotta trim this part here, but I gotta do it when I'm on the other side. So we got this whole tube done, and this one. It is a little bit challenging because there's a lot of weld lines and a lot of intricate places to go around, but nevertheless, it's coming out nice and clean. I was contemplating whether painting it or wrapping it, but we wrap stuff around here, so we're gonna wrap something on the bike. Plus I want it to match exactly like my truck, so what's better than to use the exact same wrapping. So basically I got these two done. I got this long one to go here, and then this short one here, which is probably going to be a little bit difficult because I'll probably have to do it in like 1, 2, maybe 3 pieces there, and then we got to do this curve up here, which is probably going to do 1 piece there, and then lastly 1 long piece all the way down here. So let's continue. Alright guys, let me give you an update of where I'm at. I stopped recording the time lapse because it's kind of pointless to watch it, but we pretty much finished all this, that middle part, all the way to there and up here. The only thing I need to do on this side is the big part here, right there. That shouldn't take me too long. Maybe about 20 minutes to do everything from here to here. And that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. And then possibly the grill too, but I got to paint all this first to see how it's going to look and whether or not I'm going to be doing the grill. But I like just a little touch of color on this. I don't want it too much.